Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to make your own USB where you can install from it Windows, Linux. There is a really simple tool for this. It's the pendrive Linux. You have the link in the description. So if you go down in this window, you have the option to download Yumi. Just click and download it. It's a 1 megabyte file. It takes seconds to download. When you want to open it, you have to of course accept that you want to make changes in the computer. It will show you a license agreement where it says basically that you want to install Linux and that this comes in as it is without any warranty. So you click I agree, and it will open a second window where you can choose what drive you want to install Linux in. In my case, I have a USB drive that I called multi-boot. You can format it if you click here, or you can also use it to install or uninstall previous distributions you would have in your USB. I have none right now, so I will not do it. So the second step is just the selection of what you want to install. You can select with Linux you want to install. If you go down to the list, to the end of the list, you'll find Windows Vista 7, 8 or Windows XP installers. For this you need to have your own ISO file. I'm not going to do this because I don't have a Windows ISO file. I will work with Poppy Linux, which is a really small Linux version and really easy to work with. I personally like the Lassit Poppy Linux. I just click on that, and this will give you two options: the download link and to visit the homepage. If you visit the Poppy Linux homepage, it will open the website where you can read about the distribution. It gives instructions on how to download it, how not to install it, or to download the latest release. That's what I'll do. So here you just have the option to find which option you want to download. In my case, I just took the basic one, which I have already downloaded, so I will not go through that. When you have downloaded the version you want, then you have the third step, which is find the ISO file. So I browse, and I have it in downloads. So just click on it, open. So now everything is ready. The only thing we have to do is click on create. This will take a couple of minutes. It's going to open the ISO file and convert it into something that can be put into the USB. And after this, the process is done. So if you have a big ISO file, then it will take longer. If you have a small ISO file, in my case the total size is 132 megabytes, so it's really small. And once it's done, just a second, it will just run some commands, and that's it. So now we click next. I will ask if we want to add more ISOs or distributions. Now we don't want to add any more. If you want to add more, we just click yes, and we'll have the same menu again. So you say no, and it says it's done. You click finish, and you have a bootable USB. So now it's as simple as booting your computer. You click F12, F2 or escape, depending on your computer, and choose to boot from a USB, and then follow a normal installation process. If you want to see a tutorial on how to install Linux or how to install Windows in your computer from a USB, just drop me a line, write a comment, and I'll happily help you. If you have problems with this program or if you have more questions, don't hesitate and ask, write me. And click subscribe if you like what I do, and see you soon.